Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Azrul bin Mat Latih. My number matrix is A21A3313. For the question 1 is the background of our company. Company name is Super World Shoes Store. Registered address Pegalan Cepa 16100 Kota Bau, Kelantan. Owner Muhammad Azrul bin Mat Latih, Nur Syafiqah binti Adnan, Nur Imanina Baharudin, Nur Atika Sofia binti Rahimidin, and Vanishri Tiramesh. Date of establishment 23 January 2022. Food type of business is partnership. For this part is Dimension Enterprise Payroll Report. Okay, for the first, Muhammad Dini Asif bin Muhammad Zini in the department finance. Hourly rate is 11 ringgit 50 cents. Regular hour 40 hour. Regular pay 460 ringgit. Total gross pay is 460 ringgit. Second, Muhammad Irfan bin Ahmad Nasir for the human reserve. Hourly rate is 12 ringgit. Regular hour is 40 hours. Regular pay is 480 ringgit and total for gross pay is 480 ringgit. Number 3, Sharifah Amni Afrika binti Said Aminuddin and Muhammad Iqbal bin Shamsul. They are in Department Administration. Hourly rate for them is 10 ringgit and regular hour for them 40 hour. Regular pay is 400 ringgit and they have a overtime hour. Overtime hour is 4 hour and overtime pay is 40 ringgit. And total for gross pay is 440 ringgit. Number 5, Muhammad Aiman bin Abdullah for marketing. Hourly rate is 11 ringgit and 46 hour for regular hour. Regular pay total 506 ringgit and the gross pay is 506 ringgit. Number 6 is Muhammad Rahimi bin Nordin and Anissa Krishnan. They are in production. For the hourly rate is 9 ringgit 50 cent. Regular hour is 48 hour. And regular pay is 456 ringgit. They have overtime hour is 6 hour and overtime pay for that is 57 ringgit. They have accommodation 360 ringgit and piecework earning is 50 units multiplied 70 cent, total 35 ringgit. And for gross pay is 908 ringgit. Number 8 is Muhammad Arshad bin Baharudin in technical. Hourly rate is 9.50 cent. Regular hour is 46 ringgit. And regular pay for that is 437 ringgit. Overtime hour is 8 hour and overtime pay of that is 76 ringgit. And total for gross pay is 530 ringgit. For number 9 and 10, Muhammad Hafiz bin Ahmad Nasir and Diana binti Dahaluddin is on sale. For hourly rates is 7 ringgit and regular hour is 48 hour. Regular pay is 336 ringgit. For the overtime hour is 6 hour and overtime pay is 42 ringgit. There has accommodation. Commission is 2,500 multiplying 4 cent and total 100 ringgit and get 436 ringgit for Muhammad Afif bin Ahmad Nasir gross pay and Diana binti Dahaluddin get a gross pay 478 ringgit.
Hello, my name is Vanisri. My metric number is A21A3166. Next part is question 2, which is question 2A. Estimate the amount that your company shoe store need to start up the business. Hence, using the interest rate given, find the interest amount and amount after the time given. And then the calculation is on the slide. First is the own amount is 40,000. Loan from relative is 12,000. Bank ABC amount is 35,000. Total is 87,000. And then the interest amount for loan from relative is 600, but the future value is 12,607.50. And then bank ABC interest amount is 8,085 ringgit, and it's become future value as a 44,012 ringgit and 3 cent. Lastly, the total for interest amount and then future amount is interest is 8,685 ringgit, and then the future value for the total is 56,619 and 53 cent. Next is 2B. Create a promissory note for the loan from relative based on the table 1 and using the date of established as the date of the note. Promissory note is 2,480 days after date I promise to pay to the order of loan from relative ringgit Malaysia, 2,000 only for a value received with the interest at the rate of 3 per annum until paid. And then the last maturity value for this promissory note is 12,600. 3A is identify the machinery used in your company. Hence, estimate the cost of each machinery based on the real market. We use 6 types of machinery items. First is cash register machine. Total is 1,700. Second, barcode machine, 80 ringgit. Aircon, 2 units, and the total is 2,400. 4 is CCTV and 5 units for 800. Fifth is computer, 1 unit, 3,800. And last is 6 sensormatic machine, 1 unit, but it's cost 1,000 ringgit, and the total is 9,780 ringgit.
Declining method formula divided by 3, which is for book value BVT equal to C1 minus R multiply N, where BVT book value of a certain year, C for cost of asset, R for annual rate of depreciation, and N for number of year. For annual rate of depreciation, where SV salvage value, C cost, R for annual rate of depreciation, N for useful life or number of year. For depreciation formula, DT equal to R multiply BVT minus 1, accumulated depreciation DA equal to C minus C1 minus R multiply N, where DA accumulated depreciation, C for cost asset, R for annual rate of depreciation, N for useful number of years. I'm choosing sensormatic machine, which is 1,000 ringgit, useful life 7 year with a scrap value 250 ringgit. For year 1, annual depreciation is 180 ringgit, and for the last year is 54 ringgit 72 cent. Year 1 for depreciation accumulated is 180 ringgit, and for the last year is 750 ringgit 71 cent. Lastly, for the book value, year 1 is 820 ringgit, and for the last year is 249.29 cents ringgit. Sum of year digit method, the formula is S equal to N multiply N plus 1, whereas S is sum of year digit, N is useful life. Depreciation of certain years DT given by where D equal to R multiply TD, R equal to N minus T plus 1, TD equal to C minus SV. Year 1 annual depreciation is 187 ringgit 50 cent. For year 7 is 26 ringgit 79 cent. Year 1 for depreciation accumulated is 187 ringgit 50 cent, and for the last year is 750 ringgit. Lastly, for book value for the first year is 812 ringgit 50 cent, and for the last year is 250 ringgit. Our cash discount on 30 September 2022 with the machinery cost is 9,780 ringgit, discount term 5/7, 3/15 and 30 from 26 September 2022 to 30 September 2022, 4 days with 5% discount. Cash discount, which is discount rate multiply machinery cost, the total that we get is 0.05 multiply 9,780 ringgit, then we get the cash discount is 489 ringgit. For the payment, invoice amount minus cash discount, the total that we get is 9,291 ringgit. So the conclusion is Supply A will receive payment from Super World Shoe Store, our company, as much as 9,929 ringgit, since the company is successful to pay the invoice within 7 days. So 5% cash discount will be given to the company, and then the invoice was paid because the invoice was paid 4 days after the date of the invoice. On 9 October 2022, our machinery cost is 9,780 ringgit. For discount term 5/7, 3/15 and 30. From 26 September 2022 to 9 October 2022, they have a 13 days and the discount will get 3%. The cash discount, which is discount rate multiplied by unit cost. Our cash discount is 0.03 multiply 9,780 ringgit, and the amount that we get is 293 ringgit 40 cent. For the payment, invoice amount minus cash discount payment, the total that we get is 9,486 ringgit 60 cent. In conclusion, supplier A will receive the payment from our store, which is Superwool's shoe store, as much as 9,486 ringgit 60 cent. Since the company is successful to pay the invoice within 15 days, so 3% cash discount will be given to the company. The invoice was paid 30 days after the date of the invoice.
Hi and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Imaina Baharudin and my mathi number is A21A3379. So based on the question 4, we need to find out the monthly payment. The monthly payment formula is load amount times R over N divided by 1 minus in bracket 1 plus Rn in power NT, where R is interest rate, N number of payments over the loan's lifetime, and T loan lifetime, a year. Based on question 4, they are given 3.5% compounded monthly by 12 months. So the solution will be 20,000 times 0.035 minus in bracket 1 plus 0.035 in power 12. So the total for monthly payment is RM 2069.68.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Nur Atika Sofia binti Rahimudin, A21A2814. I will present about question 4B, which is constructs the amortization schedule. First, the way to get interest paid is beginning balance multiply interest rate divide 12 months. The next formula is monthly payment minus interest paid. We can get the principal paid. The last one is ending balance equal to beginning balance minus principal paid.
In conclusion, a business organization needs to apply mathematics, especially in accounting, inventory management, marketing, sales, forecasting, financial analysis. Using formula to find the answer, include formulas for each question that we use to find the answer.